What am I gonna do now?
Cutty in a photo. Miss my father, really lost so much I had to name my car Sparrow. Cause I know.
Yo, man, y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cutty, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bell. If you're new to the channel, man, we want to welcome you, man. Hey, if you already been here, man, y'all already know what it is. Yes, sir, man. Hey, your boy 84 tired, bo. Yes, sir. Hey, boy, listen. You need something to drink. Yes, sir, boy. Your boy tired. Hey, if you're here for some LS swap wiring, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Share this out, man. Cause listen, I got a little bit to share, bo. I got a little bit to share. I couldn't come to y'all yesterday. Cause man, I was doing a whole lot of research. Still researching, but I got a little bit I can show y'all. Y'all ready? Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on all post notification bells. Cut y'all back on. Let's go. And we're back. Yes, sir. Man, y'all see that mess I got going on, huh? Hey, sometimes you gotta make a mess in order to clean it up, right? That's the only way it can get clean is if you make a mess. Talk to me. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got going on though. Alright. So y'all remember I told y'all I wanted to reroute my stock harness. So I wanted to do that, making a fuse box. A DIY fuse box. I want to try to make my own fuse box. So that's what you see right here. Alright. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all my makeshift fuse box. Alright, y'all, we do have power on, so I'm gonna have to be careful because I don't want nothing to touch. Because if y'all see all these tapes, this is only for testing purposes only. Because I got my labels on and then I got it wrapped around so that nothing won't touch until I finish testing and then situating everything and then, you know what I mean? You know how I go. But yeah, man, y'all see my makeshift box, fuse box. Used out of the same stock connectors. You know what I mean? Y'all see it. Let me show y'all what up. And then I got my fuse. I can't move it around too much, y'all. Let me slide y'all over a little bit. Alright. Right here. I don't want to move the camera too much. But yeah, right there, man. Y'all see my fuses. This is my fuses. It run my let me see which one. This is my main fuse. This is my fuel pump fuse. And then this is the fuse box that's gonna run power to the injectors, the coils, the mass airflow, the transmission. Yeah, basically all those pink wires that was into this black connector that has to have a key on hot power. You know what I mean? That's what these fuses are for. So cool. Let me show y'all. Let me make sure I don't mess up now. Alright. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second. Alright. So check this out. So, in order to do this, first of all, you have to use an ohm meter. You know what I mean? A digital multimeter, or however you call it. You know what I mean? You need one of these. You're gonna need one of these. Alright? So, using this right here, right? You want to measure your resistance. I didn't know how to measure resistance. I really don't even know how to use this for real, because every time I had one, I never had one of these instructions. So I read it and it told me how to read, to measure resistance. So I be watching YouTube videos and I've been trying to see how to read these things for the longest. So let me show you what I found out. Oh, where my camera at? My bad. So you see the 200 right here, right? You want to set it. I don't know why it's not focusing, y'all, but y'all can see the 200. But you want to set it on the 200, right? And then you see where you got your black lead at, right? on your comms, right? Then you got your red lead. Move. Flies flying out you. But yeah, man, then you got your red lead. I never knew how to set this up, nor read resistance. Shoot, barely I know how to read voltage, for real, barely. But I've done it before. I can't explain it to you right now, but that's not part of the video. But yeah, you want to measure your resistance. So you want to measure your resistance from your coils. Let me see. So basically, all right, so let's start with that, right? So we're gonna measure our resistance from our coil. So you know everything is pink, right? That you need this key on hot wires for. So you're gonna put one lead, you know what I mean, into the pink. It's still gonna be on the connector, right? So you're gonna touch the pink on the connector, and then you'll go to your coil. Your coil wire gonna have a pink wire on it. So then you don't want to shove the pin in it. You don't want to shove it in there like that, but you know what I'm saying, you want to touch it. And then what should happen is that it should go to 0. So what I learned when testing, what happened was, all right, I put this lead on the coil, right? Boom, on the pink wire. So me not knowing what pink wire is which inside this connector, right? Being that I have this right here on the coil, once I touch that coil wire that's pink on that in this box, in this connector, I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all. Once you touch it, you will see the number move. If you're not touching it, that number not gonna move. All right. So as soon as you touch it, you will see a difference. Bet. I had to learn that. So once you done found all of that right there, then that's when you can just go ahead and make your connections from there right there. Like basically tie in all of your pink wires into, I wouldn't say all of them. Let me show y'all. All right. So these wires right here. But man, look, this right here is my notes. I tell y'all, man, you gotta take notes. You gotta take notes, man. You gotta do some research. So right here is like my wires that I have tied together to make one wire. You know what I mean? So I have an O2 transmission and say like my math, you know what I mean, my math sensor, right? So I have all of that tied in to one wire, so that way it can connect and go into one blade on the fuse. All right. So you know the rest of the power on the other side of the blade gonna come from the relay. All right. So yeah, make sure you do your research. Write you some notes down. That way you will know. So then, like I said, I got all the wires, and I got it bundled together. This right here, like I said, is just for testing purposes only. I got all my pink wires right here, and then I got it tied into one. It's a yellow wire. I got all my pink wires right here, tied into one wire, which is a white wire. You know what I mean? Y'all get it. But yeah, man, you gotta do your research, bro, for real. Cause especially dealing with wiring, like it's not hard, but that's kind of like why I like it, because it's challenging. You know what I mean? It's hard, but it's not hard. Cause if you focus on it, man, it's easy. It's almost like hooking up a car radio. My bad, y'all, a bus passing by. I hope y'all can still hear me. But it's almost like hooking up a car radio, man. Like for real. All you gotta do is get the right wiring diagram. And especially like for us LS swaps, I used LT1swap.com. LT1swap.com. And that's what I used to hook this up the first time. You know what I mean? LT1swap.com. So yeah, man. So let me show y'all what I got already with my makeshift fuse box. And if y'all don't believe me, before I do this, here go the old fuse box right here. Here go the old fuse box right here. Now, like I said, now I ain't done. Not done. I might be close to being done, as far as like everything working like how I want it to. But I'm not done. But this is the part that I just wanted to hear to let me know, all right, I'm on track. Y'all ready? Listen now. All right. Just like how I did in my first LS swap, when I opened my door and I saw that light on in the car, I said, oh yes sir, well I got power. So all right, I done hooked my battery and all that back up. Like I told y'all earlier, we hot up front, we hot. So that's why I had to be careful moving stuff. But man, check this out. Y'all hear that? Let me say y'all again. Yes, sir. That's what I wanted to hear. That right there, what I wanted to hear. But yeah, man, check this out, man. That's what I wanted to hear. That right there let me know that I'm getting close to doggone, man, to the finish line. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, to achieving my goal. Like, my goal is to try to make my own DIY fuse box. Word. And man, shout out to Mr. Built. Yes, sir, Mr. Built with the assist. Yes, sir. Shout out Mr. Built. Yeah, man. Hey, man, listen. This right here, just a little update, man. Because, man, that joint took a lot of research. Like, I wanted to drop a video yesterday of me going through the processes of trying to eliminate a wire and eliminate this wire. I'm gonna show y'all what I did actually, but man, sometimes like I don't know, like sometimes doing this, like with me doing it, I'm hands-on, so I have to try it first to basically get like a understanding, you know what I mean? Cause like reading words, you can read this, but do you understand it though? You know what I mean? You can read the words, but do you understand it? So that's why I came in this video like that right there to show y'all what I got, because I still have to kind of do my own research still. I'm still researching and then figure out like how I can break it down to where y'all will understand. You know what I mean? Because everybody don't understand everything the way other people understand it, or the way they put it out and stuff like that in the video. Just like I said, like I done watched plenty videos, man, where I was trying to see, man, like how this person use this this digital multimeter. How this person use it? Like, oh yeah, you have to you gotta register. I mean, I say register. You have to measure your resistance. All right, how though? How you do that? What I gotta set my multimeter on for me to measure resistance? Huh? What terminals do my plugs have to be plugged up in? Like all of that, man. Like all they do is show you, yeah, measure resistance. Man, everybody don't know how to do that. Everybody don't know how to measure resistance. Everybody don't even know how to use a multimeter. Just like on my other video, man, that was my first time using a test. Like, bro, like for real, that's the first time people really go through stuff for the first time, bro. Just like this is my first time doing this, my first time LS swapping. This is my first time messing with wires. Like I'm not an electrician. I'm not at all. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna try it. I'll try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm telling you, that's all it's about, man. Is trying it yourself. That's all you gotta do is to try it, bro. Just try it out. You never know what you can accomplish, man. If you do it, man, listen, just try it, bro. You can accomplish so much and be amazed at yourself and be like, bro, like, dog, I did that. I'm telling y'all, like, listen, I never pulled a motor out of a car, period. Never LS swapped anything so hard. So that goes back to pulling a motor. So if I never pulled a motor or anything like that, I sure ain't never wire up a car. I ain't never had no reason, because I ain't never pulled no motor. You know what I mean? Think about it, man. Like, man, listen. All of these things that I'm doing is like really like my first time. I'm just not scared to try it, bro. Like, I could go buy a harness. I can just go buy a harness. I mean, and still, like, it's still not too late. I can still go buy a harness, but why? Why? Man, it's a DIY channel, man. I'ma try it on my own first. And if I can't accomplish what I'm trying to do or whatever, like, then hey, I might gotta go buy it, you know what I mean? But before I spend my money, I'ma use my resources right here first, bro. I'm telling you. Cause listen, if this right here don't work, guess what I'm gonna do? Man, look at this right here. Let me show y'all. Y'all see, right? Y'all see on the sides, I got the doggone, the pins. On this right here is on these right here, the pins on the computer. I ain't finished write it down because I just had stopped. I didn't need it no more. But yeah, man, you see the pins, right? Man, all I gotta do is just go right back to that black connector and plug that joker back in, just like that right there. Yes, sir. Just like that. Just like that, man. Like, that's why I wrote my note. Cause I'm like, man, if this don't work, yeah, let me rewind. I've been going forward. Let me rewind. I'm put that joker right back the way it was, so I can keep riding. Yes, sir, man. But man, listen, this right here was just an update video, man. You know what I mean? Y'all see that fuel pump cut on? Man, at first I didn't even have the fuel pump relay plugged up because I wanted to see if the relay, the main relay, would even click. It clicked. Word. So then I plugged up the fuel pump relay and I see that the fuel pump pumping. So now I'ma see if I can get the joker to start turning over or whatever, see whatever else I got to plug up. But that'll be for another video, man. I just want to come in and update y'all, man. But hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. Yes, sir, man. It's built on the budget, Junior. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Built on a budget, Junior out here. Yes, sir, man. Hey, I appreciate each and every one of y'all support, man. Hey, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, man. To the next one, man. Y'all know what it is. We out.
It's my father-in-law, so much I had to name a car stereo.